Oh, Mr. Gibson asking me to come back. Maybe you're a little worried.
No. Listen, you better not come there yet.
Why?
When I left, Mr. Gibson was in a really bad mood,
Come on, he's not calling me up to scold me yet. I'm just started, isn't it? Come on.
Why didn't you say I have a kid?
Sir, can I say something?
Shut up! I'm not talking to you.
Excuse me, sir. I really have a son, but he's sick, and that's why I need this job. Please give me a chance. Sir, just one chance.
A chance? Yes.
What did you say?
Yeah, when Peter dropped this photo to me, I knew right away that you weren't going to be my admin. You'll become the director of one of our branches.
But what? But why, sir?
I want to prove that ordinary people like you can get high positions too. I need a girl as smart as you holding the post of branch manager in the Northwest.
The Northwest? This is the most problematic branch.
I'll announce you as the new manager at tomorrow's press conference. Are you pleased?
Sir, but this is somehow wrong, really. I don't have this kind of experience, and maybe I'm obviously just taking someone else's place. Maybe you will reconsider your decision and...
This is an approximate salary of our branch manager.
But that's a lot.
It's yours right now. You sign a couple of papers, and you can spend the rest of the time with your son. This money will help him get back on his feet.
Yeah, that's... Thank you so much. You don't even know how much it helps. Thank you, both of you. See you tomorrow, okay?
The Northwest is bankrupt. She'll take all of the blame.
Well, yes. This is part of my plan, Peter.
Plan?
Yes, Northwest branch is deep in debt, and I don't want to be responsible. I didn't know who to set up. You helped me. Now, this is this poor girl's problem.
This is terrible. You can't do this.
What? She's never had such money in her hand as I just gave her. Let her thank me. Tomorrow, all the journalists will write that Michael Gibson appointed a single mom with a sick child as the branch manager. It's gonna be huge.